Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save Instagram Reels without posting them, and also how to download Reels with audio directly to your gallery. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. At the bottom center of the screen, you'll see the plus button. Tap on that to begin creating your reel. Now, select a video that you want to upload. Once you've selected your video, you can start editing. For instance, if you want to add some stickers, feel free to do so. After you're happy with your video, the next step is to save it. To do this, simply tap on the download icon in the top right corner of your screen. The video will be processed and saved to your gallery shortly. It's a really quick process, so just wait a moment. Now, if your video has music, you might run into an issue. For example, if you add music from Instagram's library, it's often copyrighted. This means you won't be able to download the video with that music directly. When you try to save it, you'll see a message saying, "Save without music." If you want to keep the music in your saved video, here's the workaround. Right now, you'll need to post the reel first, since Instagram treats the music and video as separate elements. So go ahead and tap on next and then share to post your reel. Once your reel is posted, go to your profile and open the reel you just shared. Tap on the share button, the paper airplane icon at the bottom of your post. Here, select Copy Link. Now go to a website called Save Insta app once you're on the site. Paste the link you just copied and hit the download button. The site will process the video, and after a moment you'll see the option to download your video. To save it, just tap Download Video, and you might need to close any pop-up ads that appear. Once it's downloaded, you can go to your gallery to check it out. Finally, to remove the post from your profile, open Instagram again, tap the three dots on your post, and select Delete. Confirm the deletion and you're all done. That's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.